Roasting a Thanksgiving turkey is not hard. All I did was I started with a 20-pound turkey, patted it dry, took out the bag of giblets, of course, and now I am going to truss the turkey, which just means tie the legs. So basically you just want to crisscross the legs and just tie them, and this makes sure that the turkey stays intact while it bakes. Okay, so what I did was just transferred the rack into the roasting pan, and I'm gonna put it into the oven for the first stage. And for that stage, I've got to cover the whole thing with foil. Here I go. So now, Alex, let's go to the oven, okay? Okay. 20-pounder. Hi-ya! So this is gonna go into a 275-degree oven. It's gonna bake for about 10 minutes per pound for the first stage, so I'll see you back here in 3.5 hours. Okay, so we're gonna move right along and get some herb citrus butter ready to smear all over the turkey. So I've got 2 sticks of salted butter, which is important. And I'm adding the zest of 2 lemons and 1 orange, and then some gorgeous fragrant herbs. I've got sage and 2 tablespoons of rosemary, about a tablespoon of sage, and then chopped thyme, about a tablespoon. I love fresh herbs. They make me happy. I love them in the morning. I love them in the night. I love them full stop. So the butter is all smeared together. You see that, Alex?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't that look yummy? Okay, so let's go to the oven. So, oh gosh, I don't want to do this. Oh,
You're getting your workout in.
oh my gosh. That's so heavy. Now, I want to warn you, before I take this foil off, it is not impressive looking at this stage. It's very pale, okay? But that's exactly what it should look like at this stage. Now, you can be neat about it and just smear it with a spoon, but I have never had more luck than when I just do it with my hands. So basically, you just want to smear this all over.
Getting a nice massage.
It is. It's just like giving it a massage. It's very strange, but. So what this is going to do is it's going to create a beautiful golden skin when it finishes roasting. Not only that, but it's going to add flavor to the drippings, and that's what we're going to use to make gravy. So all of this is going to make perfect sense before it's all said and done. Okay, so I'm going to put it back into the oven, but before I do that, I want to put a meat thermometer in the leg, and you want to go right behind the joint, deep into the turkey, and that way you know that the temperature is basically registering the coldest part of the turkey, so you know it'll be done if this is right. So I'm going to leave it uncovered, put it back into the oven, turn up the heat to 350 degrees, and let it finish roasting. It's going to take about an hour and a half, and I'll baste it as I go. Okay? See you back here then. I think the turkey's ready. You ready for this?
Oh, I'm ready.
Ooh, it's... Oh, hello, my beautiful baby. Oh gosh, it looks amazing. The temperature's at 165, and that's when I like to take the turkey out. It'll keep cooking for, 10 or 15 minutes when you pull it out. So you don't want to overcook it or dry it out. So I need to let the turkey rest before I carve it. So I'm just gonna loosely cover it with foil. Lots of foil on Thanksgiving. And then I will come back and carve in a little bit. I'm here to show the kids what carving a turkey is all about, so I'm gonna do my level best. I like to start with the breast. So I cut down the center. Alex, do you wanna get this? And there's a little breastbone, and you wanna cut right down either side of it. And so now you have 2 halves of the breast. I never wanna kind of cut it short and not get all of that beautiful meat. This is a juicy turkey. Here is a beautiful breast half, okay?
Yum.
So I'll put that over to the side, and I'll pull the other one off. It helps to have a very sharp knife. Lad who? I mean, look at this perfectly cooked turkey though.
Oh, baby.
It's gorgeous. All right, now I'm just gonna keep going. It's just gonna take me about 4 seconds. So isn't that a gorgeous platter? And then all that you need to do after that is just garnish the platter, and I like to do oranges. Paige, you wanna come help me?
Sure.
And then some sage leaves. I love the combination of citrus and herbs. It's so pretty. What do you say, Paige? Should we go on down to the house and leave these guys behind?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Happy Thanksgiving. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, this is beautiful. Roasted Thanksgiving turkey, all carved, put on a platter with some garnishes. Absolutely perfect. Happy Turkey Day.